Fish is an excellent source of protein and contains important nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and iodine. However, when consumed with certain foods, it can interfere with nutrient absorption or cause digestive problems. Let's take a closer look at 10 foods that don't go well with fish. 1. Dairy products. It is best to avoid consuming fish and dairy products together. This is because the calcium in dairy products can interfere with the absorption of iron and zinc in fish. This is especially important for people at risk of anemia, as it can reduce iron absorption. For example, eating salmon steak with cream sauce or sprinkling cheese on fish dishes may not be good for nutrient absorption. Instead, it is better to consume fish dishes and dairy products 2 to 3 hours apart. It may be better to sprinkle lemon juice on fish dishes or serve them with vegetables. 2. Tea. Tea such as green tea or black tea can be problematic when consumed with fish. This is because the tannins in tea can interfere with the absorption of iron in fish. Especially green tea has a high tannin content, so you need to be more careful. In addition, the caffeine in tea can interfere with the digestion of fish proteins. When eating fish dishes, it is recommended to drink water or fruit juice, and drink tea 1 to 2 hours after eating. If you really want to drink tea, it is also a good idea to add lemon to supplement vitamin C. 3. Fruit. Some fruits, especially those with high acidity, can be problematic when consumed with fish. For example, citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits can change the protein structure of fish and interfere with digestion. In addition, the sugar contained in fruits can slow down the digestion of fish proteins, which can cause indigestion or gas production. If you want to eat fruit after cooking fish, it is recommended to wait 30 minutes to 1 hour. Instead, green vegetables such as broccoli and spinach are good foods to eat with fish. 4. Alcohol. Drinking alcohol with fish is very common, but it can be harmful to your health. Alcohol can interfere with the absorption of omega-3 fatty acids in fish and can put a strain on the liver. In particular, the risk of liver damage can increase when mercury in fish and alcohol are combined. Alcohol can also promote the secretion of stomach acid, which can increase the risk of gastritis or stomach ulcers. When eating fish, it is recommended to drink water or herbal tea, and to drink alcohol at a certain time interval from eating fish. 5. High sugar foods. It is recommended to avoid eating high sugar foods with fish. Foods that contain a lot of sugar or refined carbohydrates can interfere with the digestion of protein in fish. This can cause problems such as indigestion, gas, and abdominal bloating. For example, it is not good to eat sweet desserts or carbonated drinks with fish dishes. Instead, good foods to eat with fish include whole grains such as brown rice and quinoa, or vegetable salads. 6. Legumes. Legumes are healthy foods, but they can be problematic when eaten with fish. This is because the phytic acid contained in legumes can interfere with the absorption of minerals, such as zinc, iron, and calcium in fish. In addition, since both legumes and fish have high protein content, eating them together can take a long time to digest and put a strain on the stomach. It is recommended to eat legumes separately from fish meals, or eat them 2 to 3 hours apart. 7. Caffeinated beverages. Caffeinated beverages such as coffee or energy drinks are not good to eat with fish. This is because caffeine can interfere with the absorption of iron in fish. People with iron deficiency should be especially careful. In addition, caffeine can promote gastric acid secretion, which can cause indigestion or gastritis. If you want to drink caffeinated beverages after eating fish, it is recommended to wait at least 1 hour. Instead, it is recommended to drink water or herbal tea during the meal. 8. High-fat foods. Excessive consumption of fatty foods with fish can be harmful to your health. For example, eating fried fish and fatty sauce together significantly increases fat intake. This can cause indigestion, abdominal bloating, and in the long run, increase the risk of obesity and heart disease. Instead, it is better to cook the fish by grilling or steaming it, or lightly drizzling it with olive oil. Also, serving grilled vegetables or salads with the fish helps to balance the nutrition. 9. Flour products. It is also better to avoid eating fish and flour products together. This is because the gluten and phytic acid contained in flour products can interfere with the absorption of protein and minerals in the fish. In addition, the combination of fish and flour products is slow and difficult to digest, which can burden the digestive system. This can cause problems such as bloating, constipation, and indigestion. Instead, it is better to eat whole grains such as brown rice or quinoa or vegetables with the fish. 10. Other animal proteins. It is better to avoid eating fish and other animal proteins e.g., meat, eggs together. Digesting two types of proteins at the same time can be burdensome to the stomach, and the digestion time can be longer, which can cause discomfort. Also, consuming different protein sources together can cause protein competition in the body, which can reduce absorption. If you choose fish as your main source of protein, it is recommended to consume other animal proteins at different meals. In conclusion, fish provides important nutrients, but you need to be careful about combining them with certain foods. Eating the 10 foods mentioned above with fish can cause nutrient absorption problems, indigestion, and various health problems. In order to maximize the nutritional value of each food and maintain health, it is recommended to avoid these combinations and consume them at appropriate intervals. However, since the effects of food combinations may vary, depending on the individual's constitution and health condition, it is important to carefully observe your body's reactions. If you feel uncomfortable with a specific food combination or have health problems, it is recommended to consult a doctor or nutritionist to create a diet that is right for you. For a healthy diet, it is important to consume a variety of foods in a balanced manner and combine them appropriately considering the characteristics of each food. When consuming fish, it is recommended to eat it with vegetables, whole grains, etc., to balance the nutrients, and drink plenty of water to help digestion. Finally, information on food combinations is constantly being studied, and new discoveries are being made. Therefore, it is important to constantly check the latest nutritional information and create a diet that suits your health condition. Remember that healthy eating is not simply about avoiding certain foods, but about seeking balance and variety in your overall diet. If you liked the content, please subscribe, like, and set up notifications.